Subtitle story: Knowledge is valuable treasure. Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Brightsville, there lived a curious young boy named Leo. Leo was a bright child with twinkling eyes full of wonder and imagination. However, when it came to studying, Leo was not very fond of putting in much effort. He preferred playing games, exploring the outdoors, and daydreaming about exciting adventures. Leo's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Peterson, were hardworking individuals who believed that education was the key to success. They encouraged Leo to focus on his studies and work hard to achieve his dreams. Yet, despite their guidance and gentle reminders, Leo often found excuses to avoid studying. He thought that knowledge was something he could easily acquire whenever he needed it, without putting in much effort. Meanwhile, in the same town, there were other children like Lily, Max, and Ava. They were diligent students who spent hours each day dedicated to their studies. They believed that knowledge was like a precious treasure that needed to be discovered through hard work and determination. Lily, with her love for books, explored distant lands and magical worlds through the pages of her favorite stories. Max, with his passion for science, conducted experiments and marveled at the wonders of the universe. Ava, with her artistic talents, painted colorful masterpieces that brought joy to everyone who saw them. As time passed by, Leo noticed something peculiar. Children like Lily, Max, and Ava were not only excelling in their studies, but they were also praised by their parents, teachers, and friends. They received admiration for their dedication and hard work. Their parents were proud of their achievements and supported them in every possible way. Leo began to wonder why his parents didn't show the same enthusiasm for his achievements. He realized that while he was busy playing and avoiding his studies, others were investing their time and effort into acquiring knowledge, a valuable property that led them toward their dreams. One day, Leo's class had an exciting project to create something unique using their knowledge. Lily built a miniature model of an ancient castle, Max designed a solar-powered toy car, and Ava crafted a beautiful mural depicting the town's history. Feeling inspired by his classmates' incredible creations, Leo decided to change his ways. He asked for guidance from his parents and teachers, showing a genuine interest in learning. With determination and hard work, Leo started to immerse himself in his studies. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Leo's efforts bore fruit. He began to understand the joy of learning new things. He discovered the fascinating world of numbers, the wonders of science, and the beauty of language. With each passing day, he felt himself growing more knowledgeable and confident. When the time came for the next project, Leo poured his heart and soul into it. He researched, experimented, and finally created a unique invention, a robot that could help with household chores. His invention amazed everyone, including his parents. Leo's parents, filled with pride and joy, praised him for his hard work and dedication. They realized that their child had embraced the idea that knowledge was indeed a valuable property, earned through perseverance and dedication. From that day forward, Leo continued his journey of learning with enthusiasm and dedication. He understood that knowledge was not just a possession but a treasure that grows when nurtured with curiosity and hard work. Leo's transformation inspired many other children in Brightsville to value the importance of education and the rewards it brings. And so, the town of Brightsville thrived with children who believed that knowledge, as a property, was something to be cherished, respected, and pursued with passion and diligence. Leo became a shining example that hard work, dedication, and a thirst for knowledge could lead to endless possibilities and dreams fulfilled. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.